I'm a grave digger. Here I am, what I am. I don't have no time for no misunderstandings again. Non-stop. You don't got no time for no misunderstandings again, Cancer. You heard him. What you participating in, you ain't gonna stop doing what you doing. You ain't gonna stop feeling how you feeling. You ain't gonna stop thinking how you thinking. Because this idea, this mindset, these feelings, this passion, this fire you have for something is it for you. 10 of coins. You feel like you should have been doing this the whole time. Future took the business and ran it from me. Somebody may want to heal something with you, but you can't heal something. Or you don't want to heal something no more. Because someone sees you expressing yourself a way they ain't never seen you express your feelings. And you ain't going to stop doing that. You don't want to play with him. They don't want to play with your masculine energy, Cancer. Because when Cancer through with some shit, and Cancer get to expressing that truth, it's a wrap. Cancer real family oriented. Why'd I say that? Cancer real family oriented person. You feel me? But when Cancer throw it, when Cancer said Cancer's done, yeah, go ahead, hang it up. That's a bit. What I told you, you blew the horn. Go ahead, hang it up. Now what you participating in is non-stop now. You just going hard. You drilling something. You ain't gonna stop doing what you're doing until you get where you want to go. You feel me? You put something down that had you in your mindset, had you trapped in your mentalities because of what you were participating in, what you were expressing yourself in. You feel me? Now your higher self called judgment on it, or higher authority externally outside of you called judgment on it. Now you can't not see something away no more. You can't not think this way. All these mentalities, all these feelings, I blew the horn on the ones that could stay, and and all the ones that can't stay, all the ones that had all the truth that had me in my mind, that shit had to go. You emotionally separated from it when you blew the horn on it. People, places, and things, or mental spaces, third dimensional spaces. Put a title on the space that go on the space, but you go in a new direction. Maybe dealing with a Capricorn, you don't gotta be though. You healing yourself now. You being the family to yourself now. Because if you can't take care of yourself, what the fuck what you gonna do for somebody else? See, look, angel. Alright, now you got some real high thoughts right now. Angelic thoughts almost. You so tapped in, it's ridiculous in regards to what you passionate about. The fire you gain, the enlightenment you gain. Or you feel like you've met an angel. An angel God could have used someone outside of you to bring you this enlightenment, bring you this awareness. You feel me? And brought you some awareness in regards to some secrets. Whether it was secrets it's like something you didn't even know you had in you type shit. That put you on a new path. It's only the first card though, I gotta pull the second. So whether you feel like you met an angel or your consciousness went so high and went to an angelic arena and you got some higher thoughts, got some real high angles on you, and that helped you call judgment on your third dimensional situations because your fourth, fifth, sixth dimensional thoughts. You feel me? You still gotta give me another card though, Cancer. Still gotta give me another card though, Cancer. There you go. Look, now you working. I told you working. There you go. You working. What was non-stop? Non-stop. But yeah. You working now. You realize you strong enough to do what you doing. You strong enough to feel how you feeling. You strong enough to express how you expressing. To invest how you investing. And you ain't gonna stop. Because God blew the horn in some way, shape, or form. And that shifted how you express, how you handle your reality. how you handle your mind, how you handle the mentalities of others, the mentalities and ideas others bring you, the mental spaces you share with. It's like you blew the horn on life, the life you participate in. No more bullshit. No more non-abundance. You was in conflict once upon a time. I'm only gonna take the 5. I ain't gonna take that 9 of Pentacles. But you ain't in conflict no more. You probably were in conflict because of some lack of abundance in some way, shape, or form. It's like you were working on something so hard, but you felt like you weren't getting anywhere, and that was putting you in a state of conflict regarding your passions, or other people outside of you were putting you in conflict because it's like you were working on something for someone else, and someone else was getting upset with you when you would mess up what you're working on for them. You feel me? Whatever you were working on, you were sharing a space with people, and you were the nurturer of the space. And when you misnurtured or you made a mistake, the motherfuckers would bring conflict towards you. Oh, Cancer, you shouldn't have did that. You should have did it this way. And it's like, well, motherfucker, you do it. You left the conflict. You blew the horn on all the bullshit because what? You realized the truth and you expressing the truth now. Or someone expressed the truth towards you that made you call judgment. Since some higher thought, again, you could have received an angelic thought in regards to a space you're in. You feel me? So you were thinking about something and you were sent to a further or higher angel in regards to that thought that gave you a whole new perspective on the space you're in. And that made you change how you handle the space. You called judgment on it. Now you ain't in conflict anymore. People outside of you may be unbalanced because you called judgment on something and you working on what you working on now. You don't give a fuck about what people got going outside of you. What I told you, heartbreak. Now again, as I said in the beginning, Cancer is a very family-oriented sign. So, you calling this judgment, it's like it hurt me more than it hurt you type situation. A truth hurt you. This judgment you called hurt you, but it was the truth. You no longer taking lives from people, and you no longer falsely investing in anything. You putting down the burdens. Alright? It may have hurt. The truth hurts. The truth will set you free, but first it'll make you miserable. Fucked you up a little bit. Alright? What you realized, what you became aware of, or what you just ended. Alright? You really fucked with those friends. You really fucked with your family. You really fucked with those ideas, those feelings, those mentalities. But you realized they were putting you in conflict when you were trying to hold on to something, or when you weren't trying to call judgment on something. Look, lonely. It's a little lonely at the top. You feel me? Make a couple bands by your lonesome, Cancer. Just stack your bread, you just eyes on your own paper. Life ain't a group project. It can be, depending on the mentalities you involve yourself in. But most of the time in this day and age, in this particular day and age, it ain't a group project. 9 times out of 10, it's a group project. It ain't a group project. You feel me? Again, depending on the individuals in your circle, it can be. But that's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. God damn, bro. It's like... Alright. Why? Yeah, my neck. Yeah, look, I told you had to leave something alone. Come on now. You had to leave something alone that broke your heart. It hurt you what you separated from. But again, look what's still on the bottom. Not only is the King of Swords, it's like you expressed the truth, or a truth was expressed to you. Judgment was called. This truth could be a realization, or just some knowledge and awareness that you've gained in regards to a situation you were working on. Now it's like you lonely now. You focused on your own shit, focused on your own life. You left someone out, or someone feels left out of a situation. God, hold up, bro. Oh. yeah, it's like you had to leave what you loved alone because of some truth. It hurts you. You may still be emotionally in a sense of loss or just wounded. It's still a fresh scar to you. You feel me? You're not in conflict no more. But again, it was a tower. It was a rough ending. So it still may affect you when you think about it. Look, but you overall, you going in a new direction though. It's like, again, the truth will set you free, but first it'll make you miserable. You fell in love again. Or once upon a time, you were in love with this idea. Because this is the splits. You were in love with this idea. You were in love with this space, these people, these family members, whatever it is for you. Until a tower occurred that broke your heart in regards to this space. Now it's like whether you feel cold in regards to this space now, or you just don't think highly of a space now, or someone feels left out in regards to a space with you, but you're not in conflict anymore. Because you called the judgment. Now, you working on what? You're going on your direction, your path, your road. Panda. Everybody loves pandas. You don't have to let me know what you got going on though. Cancer. Look, I told you a judgment was called. You got some higher thought that brought balance to your emotions regarding the situation. It may have broke your heart, but it's a awareness that can't be you got some light that you can't unsee. You feel me? It lit up your whole mental space, this awareness, and change how you participate in the spaces you previously participated in. Because you see this, I told you about a whole new light, whole new awareness, whole new realization that set you free. May have either broke someone else's heart and someone feels left out of a space with you, or this freedom required. It's like your heart got broken open. Again, see, you had to kill something. Judgment. Had to kill something. I just seen the death in reverse. Kill something you may have not wanted to kill. Look, there it go again. But you don't have to let me know. Put your foot in the shoe that fits you. You had to let something go. Mindsets, mentalities, ideas, or spaces. People, places, and things can be in those spaces. You got to put the faces on the spaces that go on the spaces. I'm fuck with you.